Be honest, you want to glow up, but you keep restarting every Monday, right? This is why you are still the same version of yourself. Listen, this is not another drink water and fix your life video. This is the real Muslimah glow up guide. The one that actually changes your life, mindset, and identity. If you follow even 50% of this, your life in next 30 days will look different. So don't escape because the last point is the most goal to ignore. Spiritual glow, your real identity. Let me tell you something most girls don't realize. You have clear skin, perfect outfits, everything, but if your heart feels empty, you will never feel enough. Your real glow starts when you fix your connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Fajr is not just a prayer, it's a discipline test. Salah is not just obligation, it's your daily reset. Start making dua like you mean it, not just words, but feelings. Do small zikr daily, even 5 minutes, because peace does not come from this world, it comes from Allah. But here's the problem, even with a peaceful heart, most girls still feel low energy. Energy and body glow. You say you are lazy, but maybe you are just drained. No movement, bad sleep, no routine. Start with 5 to 10 minutes walking, that's it. You don't need motivation, you need just movement. Sleep after Isha because late nights are silently destroying your glow. Drink water in the morning. Your body is literally dehydrated after hours, and posture, stand straight, confidence instantly changes. But wait, even if you fix your routine, one hidden thing can still ruin everything. 3. Food glow. This might hurt, but it's true. You can't eat junk, sugar, oily food and expect your skin, mood, and body to glow. Every bite you take is either healing you or harming you. Start small, fruits, water, green tea, and add sunnah foods like honey, olive oil, and kalonji. You don't need a strict diet, you just stop poisoning your body slowly. And now the part every girl focuses on but still does wrong. Skin and hair glow up. Expensive products won't fix inconsistent habits. Simple routines win every time. Gently face wash, moisturize, and sunscreen daily. Exfoliate weekly, not daily. And please stop touching your face again and again. Hair needs care too. Even with hijab, oil your hair regularly. Consistency is everything. But even glowing skin won't save you if your hygiene is off. Clean girl energy. This is where real elegance shows. Clean body, clean clothes, and clean space. Shower daily, brush twice, keep nails neat. Change pillowcase, clean your phone. Yes, it matters. Dress nicely even at home because how you treat yourself shows your self worth. But here's the truth no one tells you. Mindset glow. Most girls don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because they don't stay consistent. They wait for motivation, and motivation always disappears. If you really want to glow up, you need discipline over feelings. Show up when you don't feel like it. Repeat small habits daily. The version of you who stays consistent for 30 days will feel like a completely different person. Here are tips that will help you to glow up on next level. First of all, limit screen time, especially in the mornings and before bed. Second, keep your space clean. Your environment affects your mind. Smile more, speak gently, and carry yourself with softness. Your energy is your real beauty. Glow up is not a one day transformation, it's small habits done daily with consistency. It starts with one habit, just one. Comment which glow up habit are you starting today? And if you are serious about becoming your best version, subscribe now and start your journey. But listen, if you are actually serious about changing your life in 2026, then this video is not enough. The video on your screen right now, that video will give you the exact roadmap to transform your life step by step. Don't just watch this and leave it like everyone else. Click that video right now and prove to yourself that you are actually serious this time.